Hi, I'm Justin Tuinstra with Douglas Elliman. Welcome to this stunning townhouse on East 48th Street. This unique historical 5-story townhouse has over 5,500 square feet. Come inside and take a look with me. Coming directly off the street level, you have this incredibly well-appointed kitchen. Custom bronze cabinetry, a marble island, a wine cooler. The kitchen also has a super cozy little breakfast nook, which I'm a huge fan of. That is where you have your coffee, that is where you start your day. Not only is this entire kitchen brand new, but every single square foot of this house is fully gut renovated and turnkey. Come with me into the great room. In this living room, you can enjoy a warm fireplace in the evening in the cooler months. You can also come here, read a book, relax. You can converse, and you have a wonderful experience here in the living and dining room. This dining room was designed for a party of 10, windows galore behind me, above me. This is where you experience a wonderful meal. After a perfect dinner, there's no better place to enjoy a cocktail than outside on this garden. One of the truly significant things about this townhouse is that it's situated in Turtle Bay Gardens, which gives you your own private park, which is unheard of in New York City. As wonderful as this garden area is, there's so much more to see inside the house. Come with me so I can show you more. The parlor floor is really where you experience the drama in this home. You can overlook your friends and family downstairs visiting, or you can enjoy this wonderful media room here. On this floor, you truly have lush greenery from front to back. These wonderful historic casement style windows facing south over the tree-lined block bring you tons of light all day. You can enjoy a wonderful movie, a book by the fireplace. This is a moment of relaxation. Perched up here on the 4th floor is your entire primary suite. This wonderful bedroom has incredible detail, from the wainscoting here to your custom casement windows, a California king-size bed. This place was designed for a moment of respite. And when you're ready for a night out on the town, the Met Gala or a Broadway show, this is a dressing room to die for. This intelligently designed 5-piece primary bathroom has these custom vanities allowing natural light to flow in, a deep soaking tub, and an exquisite walk-in shower. This home truly does have it all, but we're not done yet. Follow me upstairs. So this top floor loft is an open canvas. It's only limited by your imagination. You have incredible skylights here, floor-to-ceiling glass over the garden, all the way to the front side of the building here facing south. You have an ensuite bathroom and an entire open floor to design yourself. And all of these details give the 5th floor endless possibilities. Shopping for a true turnkey townhouse can be extremely challenging. However, 241 East 48th checks all the boxes. New construction, 20 feet wide, with an elevator and 5 bedrooms. Nothing is missed here. Thanks again for coming by.
Can't get enough of these breathtaking homes? Hit that subscribe button for more open house coming your way.